Yeah, I've got to fill up this morning. So yeah, we got some dolphins popping up around here. Real quick, I'm going to go over directions on the boat with you because we can't say left and right on the boat.
Right there. Right there.
Facing forward, the left-hand side of the boat is called the port side. Remember that because port and left both have 4 letters. Front of the boat's called the bow. You remember that because you bow forward. Right-hand side of the boat's called the starboard side, and I've got nothing that goes with that. Y'all got to do your best on that one. Back of the boat's called the stern. Best remember that is back when I was a bad little boy, Mama's very stern on the backside.
There they are.
You're laughing, but it works.
We got a little baby. We got a little baby over here. On the,
You got a little baby dolphin?
Yeah, we do.
Awesome. Alright, y'all feel free to stand up, move around the boat as needed. I'll try to get the dolphins all around the boat for you, but they are wild animals. They're going to go where they want to go.
Jumping isn't one of the functions of wild dolphins.
Yeah, so we do have a little baby dolphin in the pod,
Oh,
too.
look at that, look at that, look at that.
What do we say if we see the baby dolphin?
Oh.
Alright, who said yum?
And there's more out
Nice
there.
little pot of dolphins right here. Oh yeah, there's one right here.
Oh, right there.
Got a bunch of dolphins out here, right on. Alright, we'll hang tight with these guys for a little while, then we'll cruise on over to the Blue Angels.
By the way, guys, this nice house
wow,
right here.
way out there,
We're chasing
jumping.
some fish right there. That house used to be a lifeguard station. I mean, the Coast Guard station here. Now it's where you know the RV park, but it looks familiar because it was in the movie Jaws 2.
Yep. Yes. Yes.
Look at them all.
They kept the sharks Bruce 1 and Bruce 2 on that dock. The sharks were named Bruce because that was Spielberg's lawyer's first name. Bruce. So all the sharks.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
I see Bermuda.
Yeah, I see. Look at that.
Here they're gonna
Oh,
come see
they're
us.
all over.
Yeah, I see Bermuda.
They're looking for food.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going under us right here.
Huh?
They just went under us right here.
They'll go right in front of the boat.
Ton of them.
They're chasing some fish.
Anyone want to take a guess at how deep of water we're in?
20 feet.
No,
7!
7 feet.
That's it.
Yep, only 7 feet.
That's why you see them so well.
We get any closer to the beach, we'll be in the walking portion of our dolphin cruise.
Walking the dolphins. Yeah.
Starboard side coming out.
The bay's been full of bait here lately. And
Really?
there's a lot that live right here.
Man, we got like a few pods out
Here
here.
comes Bermuda. The reason we call that dolphin Bermuda is the dorsal fin has been injured to where it's a perfect triangle. Once they get scarred and stuff like that, it's really good.
Oh, right. We missed that one.
Fish.
Yeah. It's sticking close to mom too.
Look at all of them.
I'm sure they know all about these dolphins.
Oh yeah.
Those guys chasing fish. You see them up there
That's
going
the
like
baby right there.
Man,
that. They're chawing down right here, guys. It's buffet time. These are Atlantic bottlenose dolphins. That's a good find right there. Tell Charlie we got all the dolphins.
There's a baby right there.
A couple of youngsters in that.
I can hold it. You want to hold more?
You have me hold?
No, I'm good. I just, as long as it's out there.
You got that.
Coming up to check it out. The one is always louder than the rest of them. Yeah. That's how scarred up they all are. Rough bunch of guys. People, they say, what the dolphin would be as a person, not a person, it would bite. It would be a biker. I'm in a gang. Yep. Got to munch it down on something. We see them in the Gulf War. Hard to see them.
That was a little one right there.
In the Gulf War. We go over to California.
Oh, right there. That's a little one. Look how tiny that thing is. Look Uh-huh.
He's smart enough to associate food with you. That's the reason you go to the Dolphin show. They want to test you. Get to.
Alright, so what you're looking at out here is the Atlantic bottlenose dolphin. They're
Is this a
federally
camera?
protected, which means
What's
you're not
that?
allowed to
Is that a
swim
camera?
with
It's a
them.
360 camera,
You know,
yeah.
just don't even look
So
at
it's
them.
filming
That's your point on
everything
mine,
around.
Steve.
That's cool.
They can grow to be about 12 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds. And they can hold their breath up to 15 minutes. During that time, they can dive to depths to over 1,000 feet. Now we're at about 12 feet of water, but they're about to be back shallow again.
There's some more behind the scenes.
So we did mention there are some babies in the pond. I didn't get a really good look at them, but if they come up and they have what looks like tiger stripes on them and they're really dark in color, those are called neonatal moles. That's from being tucked up inside a mom for 12 months. 12 months being gestation period for dolphins. So if it has stripes on it, that means it's fresh out of the oven. Stripes disappear after about 3 weeks to a month of growing in the skin stretching. When the mother dolphins give birth, they don't get to give birth to a cute little 8-pound, 11-ounce baby dolphin. They give birth to a 2 to 3 foot long, 20 to 30 pound baby dolphin. And it's born tail first. They'll stay with their mothers for up to the first 7 years of life. During the first 2 years, they do nurse once an hour, every hour, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, for the first 2 years. Dedicated mom right there.